Hey guys! Welcome to another video on Cookie Butt 333. Today we'll be reviewing this. Can you see that? Now let's get started. Louder. Whoa. So we have two blind bags, a blind thing, ice cream pail, instructions, and of course, our checklist. Yeah. Welcome back. Let's start by opening our blind bags. I got some scissors here. Okay. Whoops. Carefully snip open the blind bags. First one. Oh, I love this one. I've always wanted this one. Because, which one is this? BB stick. And then our next one, I wonder if it's peanut butter, because that would make a lot of sense. Oh, look at that. This one's cheesy twirl. Oh wait, peanut butter. Yeah. So now that we opened up our blind bags, let's start with this next, the ice cream thing. Take off the cap. Ooh, I see green covering. That seems pretty spectacular. Whoa. That's pretty neat. Now that we've done it, let's open this up and see what we have in here. So since, you know, this is messy, I'm gonna tip it all into, wait, do you see that? That's green sparkle, wow. Now dip it into this. Oh, that's disgusting. It's like butters. Let's search for our little goodies in here. I hope we get a rare mini one. Look, we got, what is this? What the heck is this? Dice Dixie. Now, if you can see her, she's very tomato-like. And that's everything. Along with this glue. Ooh, I like it. So, do you see those sparkles? It's so pretty. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it that much, subscribe. Hit the bell below.